show me, baby. Baby? Baby? Ba, 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 ba. Boy, you're such a big girl. You are such a big girl. You are. Our car is here. Oh my goodness. It's our car. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Kinikilig ako, guys. Kinikilig. Ang kinikilig. I'm gonna start car. Come on, let's go get it. See the rug? Shaggy, shaggy rug. Tignan nyo. Nilagay na namin ni Daddy Mike kanina. So that's what it looks like. Beige. Cream. Yung kulay niya. Daddy, how do you feel our car is here now?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Like losing my virginity.
Huh?
It's like losing my virginity.
Shut up. Good morning, guys. Someone is having her breakfast. Can you tell Tita what you're having now?
Bread, muffins, and apple,
And
fish.
wow. Wow. Do you like it? Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. And I'll get you a drink. How was your sleep, my love?
Good.
Good? Good, good. You're such a big girl, Nana. Have a look at you. Excuse the luggages sa likuran, guys. Ha? Tingnan nyo. Oh, shush! What a big girl. Wow! Super big. Dadalhin pa namin yan sa garahe sa baba, guys. Okay. You eat. And I'll get you a drink. Tingnan nyo, wala pang laman ang ating fridge. Meron na naman, pero kailangan pa namin mag-grocery. Bake mamaya. So, drink for Paris. Here you go. Maaga pala kami nag-video call ng aking dribbles, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ma! Bungol. Module ang aking baby brother. Ay, hindi na pala yan siya baby. Ay, baby damulag naman yan siya. Chika with my arms early in the morning. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite? Everything? I know. You're a big girl, aren't you? Ang ating baby Celine ay sleeping pa, guys. Tingnan nyo, ha? At alam nyo ba? Very, very exciting news, ha? Papasensyahan nyo na. Very messy here. Very exciting news kasi nagngingipin na pala yan siya, guys. Kaya siya paiyak-iyak. I'll show you later. I took her for a bath. Tapos nag-wonder talaga ako kung bakit siya umiiyak pa. So I touched her gums. Very sharp na. Some tuti-tuti coming through. Oh my poor Baba girl. Someone is awake. How's my teething girl? We'll open the blinds, babe. Hi! How's my teething girl? Do you wanna show off your teeth? Actually, maliit pa siya, guys. Maliit pa yung lumabas ba? Kailangan mo pa siyang i-touch. Huh? I'm so excited for your teeth. So excited. Show me? Do you wanna show Tita and Tito? Do you wanna show Tita and Tito? Show me, baby. Baby? Baby? Ba, ba, You're such a big girl. You are such a big girl. You are. And also, guys, we have another super exciting news, honey. Do you know what it is? Do you? Oh my goodness. Hindi kayo makapaniwala, guys. After, ano nga ba? Our car is here. Oh my goodness. Tinawagan ako ni Daddy Mike just a while ago. Sabi niya, what are you doing? I said, I'm just, feeding Paris breakfast. And then he said, go get dressed up and go to Willawong. And when he mentioned Willawong, guys, I know it's all about the car. Kasi sabi nila dun daw talaga pipick upin sa lugar na yun. So, I was very, very excited nung sinabi yun ni Daddy Mike sa akin. Oh my God. You got no idea, guys, kung gaano ko hinintay ang ating sasakyan. Kasi sobrang hirap especially magpunta ng mga shops and all kasi may mga kailangan dito sa bahay at wala kaming sasakyan. But now, did you put it back yourself? We have the car now, my love. We're gonna go pick up the car. Yay! We'll just have to get you change. Ang ating Ate Paris ay natapos ng kumain and I changed her clothes now. So, ang ating baby Celine na lang ang kailangan kong i-change. Nakabihis na rin si mami niyo, guys. And we will go pick up the car. I think, medyo malayo siya dito, guys, yung ating pipikapan. So, it's going to be expensive with the Uber, but this will be the last one. So, it's okay. And then, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, after naming pick upin doon, we'll just go and pick him up from work. Early pa naman, guys, and Daddy Mike finishes at 5 o'clock. So we're happy, especially when she's not crying. Oh my goodness. Yes, anak. Hi. Hello. How are you? And then we will go later sa supermarket kasi bibili kami ng what are we going to get? Panadol, just in case na paiyak-iyak siya mamayang gabi ba. No? I actually have Bonjela, guys. Alam niyo yung Bonjela for teething. Pero nung nakausap ko yung maternal and child health nurse nung nasa Melbourne kami, hindi niya nire-recommend yung Bonjela kasi it causes bleeding daw kuno, sabi niya. So, now I'm scared to put it on her gums. Pero, I'll take it with me just in case na paiyak-iyak siya mamaya ba. I'll just put a little bit. Hopefully, it will help. Diba, Ana? Hi? Hindi pa siguro masakit ngayon, no? Kasi hindi man umiiyak. We have to change our clothes so we can go pick up our car. I am super, super excited. Super, super excited. I love you, sweetie girl. Oh my God, finally, guys. Like, seriously. You got no idea how happy I am right now. Kagabi, pumunta kami ng Kmart and Kohl's. Sobrang dami naming bit-bit. And sinabi ko, diba, na kailangan naming kumuha ng 2 Uber. So, Daddy Mike sa isa para mailagay sa boot ng kanilang sasakyan. And then, kami sa another Uber. And, nung naghihintay kami ng Uber dun, guys, actually, very nice yung lady. Nagtanong siya sa amin, do you need help? Do you need lift? Kasi napakahirap, guys. Pumunta ako ng Bunnings with these 2 kids. Wala kaming sasakyan. Hintay lang kami ng Uber. Tapos, may mga Uber pa na hindi kami tinutulungan. Kahit na nandito si, sa carrier si Celine, si Ate Paris, holding me. Tapos may box ako. Hindi, guys, yung driver ay tinititigan lang ako. Hindi ako tinutulungan. Kaya sabi ko, pag dumating lang yung sasakyan, hindi na talaga tayo magkikita Uber. No? Bye, Uber! I love you, sweetie girl. I love you, my sweetie girl. I love you, my palangga. We'll go see Ate Paris now. We'll bring her here para mabihisan ko na. I'll come back, my love, okay? I'll come back. Tinan yung mukha. I'll come back, okay? Ate Paris! Hi! Tingnan niyo, nabihisa na guys. Oh. Beautiful girl.
I want to see Celine.
You want to see Celine? Okay, come down. Help.
Mine can.
Careful with your head.
Mine can.
Knock. We're gonna go pick up our
Hi.
car. Are you excited?
Mine.
Meron na kayong car seat na.
Mine, can you bring the my iPad?
Your iPad? Yeah, of course I can. Because I know later in the car we will. Alam niyo ba kanina guys? So sila lang, nagpayak-iyak yan si Baby Celine. Tapos yung ate niya, kakagising lang ba? Nilagay ko si Baby Celine, tapos hinag lang ni Ate Paris si Baby Celine. Nakatulog ka agad? Ha? Nakatulog ka agad? Nahinag ka lang ni Ate Paris. Oh, shush!
Celine?
Sobra talagang power ng kanyang ate ba? No. Do you love your Ate Paris? Do you love your Ate Paris? Tell Celine where we're going na.
To the court.
Hmm? It's 12 o'clock na, Tita and Tito, and we are all ready. You ready? What are we picking up?
Car.
Car! So this is our outfit of the day. So this is Celine's na hindi na mag-close. Tingnan nyo, oh. Very tight na dito sa kanyang paahan. She's got a headband on.
I look like Anthony.
You look like Anthony? That's probably because he is your tito.
What?
And this is my top. The red top.
Oh my,
Very
that's
nice.
the same as mine, right?
And
in
my
Melbourne.
shorts.
It's the same one in Melbourne.
In Melbourne? Yeah, it's the same one. And then this is Ate Paris's. Show na, show tita na. Aww, I am Diana, the princess of play. Yeah. I want to take you. I'll take the, turn this off now.
Mine.
Okay. So I checked before, guys. Sa ating, ang dilim man, oy. Sa ating Google, it says it's 31 minutes from here. So it's not too bad. I thought it's more than that. 31 minutes sa Uber.
21 minutes, only 9.
Yeah.
49, 18.
Do you want to show Tita and Tito your teeth?
Yeah.
Do you want to show your teeth to Tita and Tito? So ito ang aking bunjela, guys.
Yeah.
Hindi pa naman siya umiiyak, but later on, just in case naiiyak siya, meron tayong ganyan. Panlaban, okay? Are you ready? Wait, where's the key na? Oh, it's there. The key and the mask. And then we're good to go.
Thomas.
Okay? See you there, Tita and Tito.
See you there.
See you
I
there.
want to play. And you can just get Paris toys or you want the Toys R Us toys.
A few moments later.
Finally, we're here, guys. Kakadrop lang sa amin ng Uber namin. Wow, this place is huge. Face mask. You ready, Ate?
Yeah,
You ready to pick up our car?
Yeah.
Oh, good. You hungry? Okay, do you want to eat first na? Before we go in?
I have something.
Okay, go. Open. Nagutom ang ating Ate Paris, guys. Pakainin ko muna before kami pasok. Did it help? Careful, be.
I don't want to eat it after.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really want to go.
Yeah. Finish that one and then we'll go. Kailangan pang i-ano dyan. Oh, tawag-tawag pa more. Ang ating baby Celine, ayan. Oh, nakatulog sa Uber. Let me know once you're ready, okay? No, init na dito. Ate! Oh, hi! Good afternoon. I'm here to pick up a vehicle.
Yep, you have a mask?
I do.
Okay, once you go inside, there's also a QR code you'll just need to scan.
No worries at all. Thank you.
Okay, push through.
Kawawa naman tong batang to. Nasa daplin nagkakaon. They will take the car out, guys. Hinihintay lang namin. Dito kami ano lang, pungko sa daplin. Walang makakapigil sa kanyang pagkain, sa kanyang pistachio.
Statue.
Pistachio. Buhok na ko? Mara, di kang gilayog na. Now, put your hair on the side. Be? Good girl. Ang siya kumakain ng plastic. I can't wait, guys. Finally. So, kagabi daw dumating yung ship. Kaya ngayon, maraming napipick up na laman ng barko. Kagabi. No? You excited to sit in your car seat? I bet you are. This one. Show me your teeth. Yeah. Paibog teeth.
My arms are the teeth.
You can see it, anak. Show teeth. Ate, your teeth. Give it to her, anak. She's gonna cry. It's our car! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! Kinikilig ka to, guys. Kinikilig. Ang kinikilig. Let me start car. Come on, let's go get it. Guys, finally reunited and it feels so good. So, super happy. Nandito na ang aming car. How does it feel, honey?
Okay.
Good?
Touch.
To be back in your
Touch
car
mine.
seat.
My
Yes.
touch it.
Yeah, no, it's not hot because I've got the aircon on. We're gonna go now. I'll put Celine in. Alright, we're out of here, people. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Me too.
Okay. Oh my goodness. 1:30 in the afternoon, guys. And I can't believe nandito na tayo sa ating sasakyan. Can you see Celine? So, ngayon guys, nandito lang kami sa harapan ng bahay ng tito ko kasi they're only 5 minutes drive away from kung saan namin pinick up yung sasakyan. And, oh my goodness, first time kong nag-drive dito sa Brisbane. So, it's, yeah.
My, let me too.
Hindi me talk. Okay, hang on.
And I got a bear seat.
Yeah! You got your seats back. Celine, are you happy? Ate Paris, are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nalabas na sana kami, guys. Tingnan nyo. Pumapatak na naman ang ulan sa bubong ng bahay. Hello, Celine. Hello, my toothy girl. Pinsan ko, guys, sabi niya, ano muna niya, kukunin muna daw niya yung mga labahin nila nasa hayan. Hello? Hello? Oh, I'm so hungry. Are you hungry, nak? Maglungagig ko karon ba og na sila bugas. Dito na kami, guys. Nanungkab ko sa ilang kanon ng bahaw. Got rice and tinapa. Sardinas with suka and asin. Nakno. Kagigutom si mama. Here's Prince. Say hi, Prince. Ayan, dito na naman kami. Oh.
Okay.
Kain-kain pag may time. Wala pang mga tao dito, guys. Lahat nagtatrabaho. Si Prince lang. Okay, let's go eat first. Oh. Did you sing? Did you sing? May sing sa siyang binbag, oy. Bugat mo kay kabuyag na. Lubong mo ka nun. Ayaw nak, ayaw pagkuha na. Sagdi ba? Uy, pananaw man ka, ano man ka nananaw. Ingon ka kang Tito Prince. You wanna watch Spider-Man? Don't move her, Naka. Yes. Don't move her. Kissing, kissing, kissing. Kissing, 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 kissing. Hello. Here's Tita Joy. Say hi. Say hi. Nagman niya ang nagmipon, no? We're going soon now, anak. We're actually going now. Because Tita Joy said it's peak hour. Or else your daddy will wait there forever, na. Fresh. Si Lini. Si Lini. Kung nagman niya man, We're going now? Gonna go see Dida? You ready, Paris? Palangga si mama.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's 6:44 ng gabi. Nandito na kami sa bahay, so you can see. So after kanina sa bahay ng tito ko, so nag-drive kami papunta ng city, Newstead, kung saan yung opisina ni Daddy Mike kasi pinick up natin siya. Actually, I was very nervous guys kasi first time ko mag-drive dito sa Brisbane, di ba? I know it's, this time Melbourne, right, everywhere, it's the same naman, driving is the same. But it's very different kapag hindi mo pa alam yung daan. So, sa Melbourne, guys, I know Melbourne roads like from, the back of my hands. Alam ko na kung saan yung palusot-lusot, di ba? But dito sa Brisbane, everything is new to me. So, a little bit, worried about driving, but yeah, I got there. There was no issue. Ginamit ko lang yung navigator. And, yeah, we find the place alright. Ngayon, nandito na kami sa bahay. And before kami umuwi dito sa bahay, may pinick up pala kami. I'll show it to you. Say hi to our little girl first pala with the titi-titi. Do you have teeth, Nakbe? Show your teeth, Nakbe? Oh, okay. Ito yung pinick up natin, guys. See the rug? Shaggy rug. Tignan nyo. Nilagay na namin ni Daddy Mike kanina. So, that's what it looks like. Beige. Cream. Yung kulay niya, ganyan. Ayan. O, diba? So, we got that one from Facebook Marketplace. Once again, it's my favorite place sa mga ganitong bagay kasi tingnan nyo naman, the owner, pina-clean nila to ang rug na to before nila binenta. So, it looks, not brand new, but it still looks new. Tingnan nyo naman, And I did the measurement this morning and perfect yung measurements niya. Hindi masyadong malaki sa space natin. We don't want it too big kasi it will make the whole room smaller, So, what do you think?
I will go green.
That looks good. Very happy about that. And these two playing. It's Friday pala, so last day ni Daddy Mike sa work for this week. So yeah, just spending time with Ate Paris playing. Okay. Daddy, how do you feel our car is here now?
Amazing. Like losing my virginity.
Huh?
It's like losing my virginity.
Shut up.
My favorite canary.
Ready, guys? Each other. Daddy's very purple.
What did you say, Anna? Where do you want to live?
Did you get that on video?
No. And to look nice now, yung area natin. I can't wait for the TV and that to arrive.
And Daddy's artwork.
Yeah. Oh, we'll have to get the floor lamp para ilagay doon for
Oh, what
later.
happened to that little table?
Oh yeah, that's in Morningside, Bob. We should pick that up.
Yeah. Have you sold to him?
No, I haven't really messaged him. I just I'll do it now. We'll do it now. We will go do some grocery shopping mamaya. Mag-relax muna kami, guys. Mag-relax muna ang ating baby girl. Ayan, kakapadedi ko lang nito. Woo, show me your teeth. Nge, paibog sa iyang teeth. Ay. Palangga sa mga bata.
A few moments later.
Guys, what a small world. Pumunta kami sa say hi sa mga ice cream. Pumunta kami ng Woolworths dyan. Kasi kami grocery shopping ba. Tapos, we bumped into them. Oh. Ice cream everyone. Oh, may humahawak kay Celine. What are you having at the Paris? What flavor? Vanilla. And vanilla and chocolate.
I like
I have mango.
Mango
And coffee.
but I like photographs of your being so.
Double.
We're home now, guys. Tingnan nyo. Mga napamili from Woolworths. So, napadami yata ang bili ni Daddy Mike guys. Kasi alam nyo. Parang na-excite ba kasi nandito na yung sasakyan. So, it's easy for us to just put stuff in the boot. Kaya sobrang, dami. Last time kasi, kailangan mag-Uber, so nahihirapan kami. And yeah, what a small world, guys, ha? Daddy, yeah? Habang naglakad-lakad kami sa loob ng Woolworths, guys, yung tita ko. Sabi niya, Jovi! Ang layo kaya ng bahay nila dito, guys. Lang daw sila kasi Friday, nadi-dinner daw sila sa labas. Tapos nakapunta sila doon. Give you water.
Some days it's a little bit like me.
Si Nini. Nakatulog na yan si Celine ba? Gising ulit. Just drink first.
Cold? Yeah.
Hindi ko na isasahin, guys. May pasok na kasi na Daddy Mike yung iba. Anyways, binili ko to siya kasi we are going to introduce Celine sa solids. This is very cool. So parang niya ba, ilagay yung fresh fruit sa ilalim tapos ganyanin lang niya. And I've got this for the toilet. Nappies. And where's that toy nap for Celine? Not the toy, that's for her teething. And this one here. Ganyan niya. So this one is for for teething. So different texture, ganyan. Para makatulong daw sa kanyang teething. Yes, honey girl! Do you like this one? Do you want this one? Good girl. Yay! Very good reaching. Wow, you smart little girl, aren't you?
We have to pick it up on Sunday.
You are. You are. And alam niyo ba guys, pagkapasok namin dito sa bahay, sobrang bango. It smells so good. What's that thing, Daddy, that you put in here?
Have a look.
Huh?
Have a look at the top drawer.
Kasi bumili si Daddy Mike nito, di ba? Diffuser. Tapos, there's 3 of them, Bob.
It's not the amber, and it's not the lemongrass.
So this is the lemongrass. This one is amber. Okay. So it's what's the Bob? Verbena and bergamot.
Yeah, that one.
It smells so good, guys. Grabe. Sobrang maamoy yung bahay. Magandang amoy. Hindi ba akong otot?
Not yet, but we have to eat some good food first before we have that good
Good girl, sweetie.
No, you have And
You
if go in
change
the
na.
fridge first, then you
After
have to
this,
put it
maybe will Mama borrow this one?
in. They go in the fridge.
Hey, no, mga bato. This one. Bite that. Bite. Wow, big girl with the toothy.
It does pass. You can't eat it until it goes into the fridge. It has to get cold and freeze first.
Which one would you like to bite, honey? Different, ano guys, so very colorful. Tapos iba-iba. Ito siya merong... Which one? Huh? We'll change natin pa di Aida yun na.
I'm going to tell Paris.
What's going on, Parisico?
I told her she had a big ice cream. She has to eat something else now.
Oh, yeah, definitely. What's that? The noise?
I really want popcorn.
Belly jelly. I know.
Jelly.
We have to eat. Oh no, you had gelato before. What's this one? Do you know?
Pancake.
Pancake. Tomato and garlic.
And some mushrooms.
May laman na ang ating fridge.
Yes, I got mushrooms.
Mushroom. Tingnan.
Ooh. Popcorn. Popcorn.
Popcorn?
Popcorn.
Ako tumalab kami. Beep! Beep! Just put the nippy away. Did you drink your water na?
Yeah.
Okay. Just had something to eat, guys. Nagluto si Daddy Mike ng pork kanina. Ayan o. Simhut, sarap. Yung meat lang yung kinain, hindi na yung spinach. Anyways. My drink favorite coconut water. And I just made Paris her drink. So this is burn juice. And ano pa? Ayan, nilagyan ito. Ito pala yun guys. Ewan ko kung napakita ko na ito sa inyo. Ayan. Osmolax relief. So, yeah, provides effective relief of constipation. So, ito yung binibigay namin kay Paris. Maliit lang guys. Isang scoop lang. Minimix namin sa kanyang drink. At yan yung pinapainom namin sa kanya every single day. Although, pag we feel na sobra na, kailangan naman namin, pwede naman namin i-stop. But, yeah. So far, it's working and it's working well. Like, maganda ng yung kanyang pupo. Hindi na yung... Ate, tingnan yung ginoo. Nanonood. Let's be drink na. I made a drink for you. Show Tita dito how to open your bottle. That's her new bottle as well. Nakna, where did you get that from?
Shop.
From the shop? Hello. We are going to brush our teeth now so we can go to bed. It's very late now. Ang ating Daddy Mike, si Celine ay tulog na. Here. Oh, careful na. Here. Yeah. Kami na lang dalawa. So, you wanna go? Okay, sure. Oh, we should get that bar stool for you. Brush properly. Good girl. Good girl naman ka na, boy. Ikaw lang ang bata. Good job, see? See that? Anyways, tomorrow is Saturday, guys, and we will do some more stuff tomorrow. I don't think if we have anything planned. But all I know is may mga pipick-upin kaming mga bagay-bagay bukas. So, yeah. But yeah, super happy about today, guys. Sasakyan natin. I'm very times as I can. Finished? But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here now, so I'm just going to brush our teeth. But thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed, and we'll just do a quick shout out actually, just a very quick one. So do you want to do a shout out with me now?
Yeah.
Shout out to Maricar Castaneda, Catalina Mempin, Marilyn Tukay, Angelo Ferrari, Fernita Malatag, Claudine Reid, Claudine's Kitchen, Naida Trufil, Lucy Montemayor, Rosemary Barzon, Gilbert Buado, Adelita Ilaso, Edna Jeffrey, Remedios Pauline, Constancia Alcantara, Shailene Rafales, Evelyn Ramirez, Min Cinco, Nora Tagala, Melin Lorente, Angelina Ladisma, Jean Bagsik, Faith Peredo, and Emma Jane Talusig. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one.